This is an Amtrak train checking its way through Mansfield Train Station. 24 hours earlier, it was a scene of a crime as a man was struck and killed by a fast-moving Amtrak train, and so that is why the Mansfield Train Station is closed until the enforcement and all sorts of people complete their investigation here, as we're seeing the Amtrak Acela train going slower than the usual speed because of the investigation going on. That's what happens. That's what happens when you have a person trying to cross the tracks and have a fast-moving Amtrak Acela train speed by you. The passenger always loses, and that is what happens. Peter Wiggins reported the Peter Channel News here at the Mansfield Train Station.